What are the best ways to reduce PPC costs on Amazon? So some of the ways that I know that are best and most helpful when it comes down to this, really zooming out for clarity and understand when it comes down to what are the best ways to reduce PPC costs on Amazon. Some of them can be ad related and others not ad related. So giving you an example, first off, I'm assuming here that you do want to spend on advertising. You just want to make sure that you're spending the most effective way. If that is the case, then it's great. If you are saying that you want to spend on Amazon and spend at least amount as possible, then I would ask why? Because if it's a profitable platform for you, then why wouldn't you want to be spending more? So those are the two routes that I'm seeing right now. However, if we're taking from that end that you want to reduce PPC cost, so you want to make your ads effective, the first thing that I am thinking of is everything that is ad related that is obvious, meaning you created in the past campaigns that are not anymore relevant and they are just spending money, or you did not edit any negatives, either products, either search terms to your campaigns. Again, that is something that can be reducing your PPC cost, so you can lower down your wasted spend. And then once again, if there are any products that they don't have a good ACoS and they're not profitable, then you might be rethinking, okay, should I invest in this product that is not profitable, or should I sell more of the products that are profitable? So to take the budget from something that is not so profitable into something that is more profitable. So those would be also ways how you would reduce here, not necessarily reduce, but make more effective your ad cost. Now, these are just three things that are top of mind right now that I can tell you. But other ways that you can also reduce your cost is be upfront and honest with yourself, right? So if you're selling, say, 10 products, and out of those 10 products, rarely that all those 10 products will be generating same amount of revenue. But what is usually happening is this one product, it's a hero product that is generating most of the revenue, and then the rest of the products. Now, you would be looking into what is that one product that is generating most of my revenue and making sure that product optimized properly. By optimization, I'm talking about, could I increase my click-through rate? Can I have a better main image, for example? If you can have a better main image, trust me, you will see that you're going to reduce your PPC cost. But then it's going to be easier for someone who's looking for your product to click on it, because the main image is like simply someone's face. If someone is attractive, you're more attracted to, hey, check out what are they about. But if someone is not necessarily attractive physically, but they are not doing the things that you are aligning with your values, for example, right? Then you might be saying, I don't want to associate with this product, even if they are there all over the place, and they're always there, and like they seem to be important, or like it seem to be a good connection, So again, I'm trying to humanize this so you get the advertising way, so it's not super technical only. But think of it that way. If the product already is more, it looks better, visually appealing, you might be clicking on that. And then once that you click on it, the rest of the images, are you describing exactly what the product that you're selling is, the best features, the benefits, and so on. Those will be important things, because that is a really good way to make more effective your ads cost, instead of only just cutting down whatever is too expensive for you. I dug a bit deeper into this question and the answer, because I believe it's really important that most of the time we are going to see all those, especially on Amazon, whenever someone is telling about their service and they are going to advertise their service or how they cut the ACoS and so on. Cutting ACoS, it's not always the thing that is going to define a good service provider. Of course, if they cut everything that is a waste and then they added additional value, that is something else. But just ACoS itself, it's not a metric that you should be looking into how to lower your ACoS.